Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Javy Coffee Concentrate. So this has 30 servings in it, and it's pretty much just coffee brewed down into a small liquid. Pretty cool. So 30 servings, 100% Arabica beans, artisan roasted. Simply mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix in your favorite liquid for the perfect cup of coffee. That sounds pretty cool. Warning, Javy Microdose is a highly concentrated coffee liquid, use small doses only. So per serving there's 100 milligrams of caffeine. It packs a punch. I like that. I like to get my caffeine in quickly in the day. So something like this is much more convenient than brewing up a cup of coffee. Put this in the fridge. So I got a nice iced coffee. I'm gonna crack this open in some cold water. All right, so I got this all mixed together. Give it my first taste test here. Wow, that's really good. I just mixed that with cold water. It tastes like a nice iced coffee. And no calories either. So a black iced coffee. And it tastes this good. That is amazing. Wow. Javy Microdose Coffee Concentrate. Tastes very good. I'll give another sip here and I'll give my review. Now I drink a lot of coffee. This is something that I've always done. It helps me study, helps me work out. Many benefits of coffee. Now the only thing is, you either have to go through a drive-through or you gotta make it yourself. Coffee's not the easiest thing to get. It's not like you can just mix a powder, like a pre-workout I'm used to taking. Javy changes that. You can pour a little bit of this into some water, and you got yourself a liquid coffee. It tastes really good. It's not very bitter. It's got actually a nice taste to it. Like it tastes almost kind of like a cold brew in a sense. I drink a lot of coffee, so I know what good coffee tastes like, and this is definitely a good coffee. I'm quite a fan of this. So for flavor, this coffee is gonna get a 9 out of 10. It tastes really good, and I mean, this just came from a bottle. Like it's not like I had to brew it or anything. Amazing. For its ease of use, I'm giving that a 10 out of 10. Like I can keep this in my fridge, pour a couple shots in, and I have a quickly brewed coffee. Like that is the most convenient thing in the world. I really like that. Overall, I'm gonna give that a 9.5. This is just really cool. Javy Coffee Concentrate, amazing. Convenient, tastes good, and you get your caffeine really quickly. You can't complain about that. So Javy did send me this bottle here to give a review on, and I can say that I do love this. As a coffee drinker, this is just the quickest, most easiest way to get your coffee in. And it tastes good too. I was expecting something that like this to not taste as amazing as it does, but it tastes really good. Thanks for watching. Go check out Javy coffee extracts. You can get something very similar to this. They taste great. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.